Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Siri Talks. I'm Siri, and today we'll be starting a new chapter called Matrices. If you haven't seen my previous videos, the links will be in the description. So let's get started. Today I will be covering introduction about matrices, order of matrices, types of matrices, equal and comparable matrices, and some problem solving. Okay, so what are matrices? In mathematics, a matrix is a rectangular array of numbers or symbols arranged in rows and columns. Matrices are commonly used to represent and solve systems of linear equations. And they're also used in many areas of science, engineering and computer graphics. And the singular form of matrices is a matrix. Order of matrix refers to the number of rows and columns it has. It usually denoted by writing the number of rows followed by the number of columns in middle and X mark. Separate. For example, a matrix with 3 rows and 4 columns is said to have an order of 3 by 4. It's written as 3 into 4, but it's read as 3 by 4. Here are some examples of matrices and their orders. A matrix with 1 row and 3 columns has an order of 1 by 3. For example, 2, 4, 6 matrix. A matrix with 2 rows and 2 columns has an order of 2 into 2, or not 2 into 2, it is 2 by 2. For example, this matrix, these two brackets actually a same one big bracket. A matrix with 3 rows and 1 column has an order of 3 into 1. Is it correct? No, it's 3 by 1. For example, this. A matrix with 3 rows and 5 columns has an order of 3 by 5. For example, this. Next, let's go to the next topic. Types of matrices. Now there are mainly 7 types of matrices. Number 1, square matrix, in which the number of rows is equal to number of columns. Example is that 2 by 2 matrix there. Next is the row matrix and the column matrix, in which it has only 1 row or 1 column, thus gets its name. Next, the rectangular matrix is a matrix in which the number of rows and the number of columns are not equal. Diagonal matrix is a matrix in which every non-diagonal element is 0. Next, the unit or identity matrix is a square matrix in which every diagonal element is 1 and now every non-diagonal element is 0. The last but not the least, the zero or null matrix, in which the elements are zeros. Moving on to the next topic, comparable matrices. Two matrices are said to be comparable if their order is the same. For example, these two matrices here, their elements are different, but the order is same, 2 by 2. Next, the equal matrices. Normally, we can say that two matrices A and B are equal if A and B have the same number of rows and same number of columns. The entry in the ith row and the jth column of matrix A is equal to the entry in the ith row and the jth column of matrix B, and all the values of I and j. Next, let's do some problems on matrices, and trust me, they're going to be very easy. Question 1. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix whose elements aij are given by aij is equal to 2i minus j, aij is equal to I into j. So let's go to the first one. Aij is equal to 2I minus j. See, I are the rows and j are the columns. You should just multiply one element of the row, one element to the column. So if it's one row, one column, we can write this as A11. Next, we can write it as first row, second column, A12. So we wrote it like this and we get 2 into 1 minus 1 because aij, first we can take all the elements, we should take all the elements and write aij. Aij is a11, the first one, so 2 2 into 1 minus 1. Next is aij is a12, first row, second column. So it is 2 into 1 minus 2. Next, we go to the second row, first column, we get A to 1. 2 into 2 minus 1. Next, next Aij is 2, A to 2. A second row, second column. That's 2 into 2 minus 2. So eventually the answer is 1032. Next, Aij is equal to I into j. 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 2 into 1, 2 into 2. Next, the answer is 1224. Next question. Find the values of x and y if 2x plus y by 3x minus 2y is equal to 5 by 4. We can write this equation as a system of linear equations. 2x plus y is equal to 5 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. We can solve this system using any method of solving simultaneous linear equations. For example, we can use the substitution method. From the first equation, we get y is equal to 5 minus 2x. Substituting the value of y in the second equation, we get 3x minus 2, 5 minus 2x, which is 4. Simplifying and solving for x, we get 2. X is equal to 2. Substituting the value of x in the first equation, we get 2 into 2 plus y is equal to 5. Solving for y, we get y is equal to 1. Therefore, the solution to this equation is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Next question. This question also contains trigonometry. So, make sure you're thorough with all the values of the trigonometric ratios. 4 sine 30, 2 cos 60, sine 90, and 2 cos 0, 4, 5, 5, 4. We should evaluate this question. So, sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2, cos 60 is equal to 2, cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, sine 90 is equal to 1, and cos 0 is equal to 1, 2. 1. 4 into 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2, 1 and 2 into 1. 4, 5, 5, 4. 2, 1, 1, 2 is the answer for the above. 4, 5, 5, 4. 2 into 4 plus 1 into 5, 5, 2 into 5 plus 1 into 4, 1 into 4 plus 2 into 5, and 1 into 5 plus 2 into 4. Now let's add. And please don't skip any step because you may lose marks in the examination. 8 plus 5, 10 plus 4, 4 plus 10, and 5 plus 8. So the answer will be 13, 14, 14, 13. Moving on to the next question. If A is equal to 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and B 6, 1, 1, 1, C minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and 0, 1, find each of the following and state if they're equal. CA plus B, A plus CB. So let's go to the first one. CA plus B. CA is equal to minus 2, minus 3, 0, and 1. Let's solve. Minus 2 minus 9, 0 plus 3, minus 4 minus 12, 0 plus 4, which is equal to minus 11, minus 16, 3 and 4. Next, for solving 3a plus b, minus 11, minus 16, 3, 4, plus 6, 1, 1, 1. So the answer is, the answer is 10, 7 minus 4 minus 4. Next, the second one, A plus CB minus 2 minus 1, 2, 3, 4 plus minus 2 minus 3, 0 and 1 into 6, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus minus 12 minus 12 plus minus 3 minus 2 minus 3, 0 plus 1 and 0 plus 1. So the answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4 plus minus 15 minus 5, 1 and 1. 1 minus 15, 2 minus 5, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1. Minus 14, minus 3, 4 and 5. We can say that 3a CA plus B is not equal to A plus CB. Moving on to the next question. If A is equal to minus 1, 3, 2, 4, B is equal to 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 6, find the matrix AB plus BA. A is equal to minus 1, 3, 2, 4. B is equal to 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 6. AB is equal to minus 1, 3, 2, 4 into 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 6. Minus 2 minus 2, minus 2 minus 12, 3 minus 18, 4 minus 16, minus 6 minus 24 is equal to minus 14 minus 15 minus 12 minus 30. BA is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 6 into minus 2, 3, 2, 4. 2 minus 2 minus 6, 6 minus 12, 4 minus 4 minus 12, minus 12 minus 24 is equal to minus 8, 6, minus 8 minus 6 minus 8 minus 36. Therefore, AB plus BA is equal to minus 14 minus 15 minus 12 minus 30 plus minus 6 minus 8 minus 6 minus 8 and minus 36. Minus 14 minus 6 minus 14 minus 8 minus 15 minus 6 minus 12 minus 8 and minus 30 minus 36. The final answer is minus 22 minus 21 minus 20 and minus 66. So this was the last question for the day, and here's an amazing quote for you. If you're not willing to learn, no one can help you. But if you're determined to learn, no one can stop you. So keep learning, you can do it, and creativity is contagious. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this one.